Welcome to Exotic and Vegan Recipes. Today I'm gonna make a recipe so you can make 3 stovetop holiday potpourri recipes, making your home smell like the holidays. This time of the year we decorate festively, host holiday themed parties, and try our best to enjoy the season with friends and family before it's gone. By this time, we bet your stockings are hung and your tree is decorated, and we're sure it's a sight to see. But don't forget about the sense of smell, a key component of building holiday memories. Don't believe us? Several studies have been done on scents and their triggers for memory and emotion. Because of this, we have developed 3 recipes for holiday potpourri that will bring all of your decorations together, as well as remind you to relax and remember this time of the year. Each day, when you come home from work or just have a busy day with the kids, you can turn on the stove and simmer the scents of oranges and cinnamon. If you're not in the holiday spirit yet, you will be. Instructions. With each of these recipes, join all of the ingredients together in pot of water. As you simmer the pot on the stove, the water will eventually evaporate. When this happens, all you have to do is continually add more water to the pot and simmer it again. When you're done for the night, turn off the stove and let it cool. You can even leave the pot on the stove and use it again the next day. However, any more than 2 days and you will want to throw it out and start fresh. Lime, mint, and fresh pine potpourri recipe. Ingredients: 1 lime, 1 tablespoon of vanilla, 1 small branch of fresh pine needles, 1/4 cup fresh mint, 2 cinnamon sticks, grapefruit, lemon, and rosemary potpourri recipe. Ingredients: 2 sprigs rosemary, a half of a lemon sliced, half of a grapefruit sliced, 1 tablespoon of vanilla, 2 cinnamon sticks. Cranberry, orange, and clove potpourri recipe. Ingredients: half cup fresh cranberries, 1 orange, 1 tablespoon of whole cloves, 2 cinnamon sticks, 1/4 tablespoon ground nutmeg.
It ain't about where you're from, it's where you at. Look around, baby. Made it to the island.